Now this is where the AZ100 really impressed me. The sound is rich and clean. I started noticing details in my music that I hadn't heard before, especially with string instruments and layered tracks. One day I was listening to a live recording of a string quartet, and I could pick out the bowing of each instrument. It gave me chills, honestly. I did have to tweak the equalizer a bit in the app. Out of the box, the sound leaned a little too bass-heavy for me, but once I adjusted it, the balance was perfect. The app gives you a pretty advanced EQ, about 7 or 8 bands, which is more than most other earbuds offer. Once I set it up, I basically left it that way and was very happy. LDAC support is another big plus if you have a phone that supports it. I do. It made the sound even cleaner over Bluetooth, but you kind of have to be someone who notices those fine details to really care about that feature.